Sanjay Girl. This is Babeta Gashwezen's car, Imuskrepiade. So this is the car that he got into an accident. I Nova SA style, was boy. Mzansen ki Johnny Walker. I know nothing about the cars and whatnot. So kile ka re ke bala comment section about the tseba ba re koloi e ke Renault Megane. And then no mongwe are it looks like Hyundai with 3-door. And then no mongwe are it looks like Hyundai Veloster. So you'll just correct me in the comment section. Looking at the condition of this car, it's beyond the repair. And you can understand why Nova atlhokofetse, unfortunately. May his soul rest in peace. And you can only imagine West Boy le Babeta Gashwezen condition ya bona e bjang. So I saw one video ya ngwana bo magolo. I'm not gonna take words out of her mouth. This video, she posted it last year. Ke la mtsiba gore ga tshwere ke moya o jwang ke last year. So o di pakile last year ngwana bo magolo.
Karga music e le ya loyal le sepoledi ka le diang se so di bana emoyeng. As for us, we will never join your evil organizations table loy gore re kgona trend. This morning remarks more yang o filo o sa fiwa wa fiwa. It's simple. And ana ke ne we ntsamela ngona ngkhaba ka dithiba di khalabash. O mmotsa rena ke nna ngwana magolo ke tlosa di toto tumula magama. O ka se ndie selo ke tla go tlhaya le yena. And I get good like I would selo. Go no rapela modima dia le lena. We will never join any associations of evil. Re hoja di accident mo di pattern re a thudo re a thuntshiwa. Khane go diagalang. Le kompa ke la geno. Limpopo ye in le go boloi ka ga. Ra senya ka go opela. Na mbile bana ba boloi ka mke ba opela go diagalang. Ke di lightning. Ke di lightning.
There is another new upcoming artist called Miss Judy SA. Posted this caption, my performance at Purple Decoded went like a daddy emoji. When I write the song, it was after I've realized how people are dangerous to a talented being. They hate the blessing, not the person. And only if a hater was marked on the head would save. But either way, Lord, forgive them. Fight for us. Protect us. So this is the song that she is talking about. A lot of people on social media are very skeptical when coming to Purple Room Decoded. It is a TikTok page. However, one of my loyal subscribers sent me the screenshot. Purple Decoded. It's not only just a studio with a purple background. It has collaborated with Sony. So Miss Judy, after posting that caption and the song I promote, comment section, batho Purple Room a ke itshepe shem. Miss Judy a responda are why gane, and then are once wa tsena ka mowe o ka se feleletse. And then Miss Judy are mara as a Purple Room, they just edited with Purple. Whether by editile or not, but the fact that she is associated with Purple Room, and for the fact that ba content promoter on their page, it means she signed off whatever le bona. And then what's the comment section Purple Room ne. And then about Purple Decoded, okay, really cool, but I'm sure no le lata tsaka RSA. And then about while salatile ka Cortez, so ba ya ka ore Cortez Master Cortez or Sometimes the comments are just a lot. I'm not going to go through them. It's just people's opinion and everyone is entitled to express themselves, freedom of speech. And I'm just worried about what Lament Maosa and this comedian Isha, forgot his name. Like there's just a lot of Wendy Mooney. There's a lot of people by Loban Rabatseba Moki and they're being promoted on Purple Decoded. So Ntela Popo Maparula postileng are, you know what, batswadi ba bana ba ki, they need to stand up by emele. It's actually quite true because ha re sa tseba re ke mang wa tlo latelang next. Bona today se go tokofetse aus Z wa MC. However, le ene lo bana se be associated with the Purple Decoded page, but go foka moyo lo ngobane a o right ka mo Limpopo in general.
Babeta Gashwezen. Okay, guys, remote Purple Decoded. Just kete. So don't forget, or tonight, midnight, siachwa by the way. So make sure you stream, you download. Washa. Babetega Shwazi.
Sir? Sastayne, I wanna win your la, wanna win your la, wanna win your la, I wanna win your la. Ekitama yali wena bushuka swa. Kasagario. Ekitama yali wena bushuka swa. Kasagario.
No.
Arriba!
Yeah.